Hello everyone, welcome to this Krita quick guide. This is a UI that you can see once you open the program. If you see here, you can notice that on the top are all the files, edit, view, image, and so on. On the left side, you can see the tools. I'm gonna go ahead and hit new document or create new document. This is a UI that you can see once you hit that. You have some predefined options there for sizes. You have some create from clipboard, for animation, from comic templates. You can also modify the color mode, the depth of the image that you're creating, the color profile. I'm gonna go ahead and hit create. As you can see, I created that file. I'm gonna hit and create a new layer, and this little tool here allows you to create these guides. You can turn it on and off, as you can see me do here. You can delete it if you want to, move it as you can see me doing there, as so. You can modify the perspective, the point of view of the guides that you're creating. As you can see me moving the point of view there. There I selected the painting tool. On the top you can see that I hit that to choose my brush. And here I created, or I'm creating, a quick sketch of what I want to paint. You can modify the opacity of what you create. If you right click, it brings up this menu. It's really useful. It has a lot of utilities. If you shift drag, you can scale the brush. As you can see me here, I'm painting the background, keeping the sketch on a separate layer to the one that I'm using to paint. Somebody asked me about the select tool. If you hit Ctrl Shift A, you can deselect the selection. That's a redundancy, but that's what it does. And it turns out it's a really useful tool to be able to paint. You can select different areas and just paint that specific selection. As you can see me here, I can turn on and off the grid so I can use it as a reference. Here I'm trying to add a little bit more depth to the whole thing, adding a bit of a character that I created on my daily sketch routine. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps me a bunch, it's free for you, and it helps me continue to create interesting things for you guys. As you can see, you can use it as reference to create. In this case, I'm creating the windows of the castle. Keep in mind that I'm not the best at doing backgrounds. This is sort of out of my comfort zone. But overall, I was kind of happy by the end with the result I got. Here I'm adding more detail to the character that I created. highlights and details. Here I'm almost near the end of the image. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, that like if you enjoyed the video and you find it helpful. There are also links in the description of this video for other things I do if you want to support this channel. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.